Okay, I'm going to show you how to make a paint booth in your own garage, say for around under $200, and I'll tell you why. Okay, so this is a double car garage. Normally I have a lot of motorcycles in here. I do not, because they are in storage. So I have made myself some vapor barrier. There's a fan behind that filter. There is another fan behind that filter. And I've used some stakes, staples. If you have a hammer stapler or even a gun stapler, like, and shoot it, to control the environment. So the big secret is if you can control your environment, you can make pretty good paint projects. So I've overlapped. I've kind of went all the way around, overlapped over there. So I've created the filters and fans, allowing the garage door open to enough. So I cut in a slit for the garage door open, and I'm not completed yet. I'm not done, just because I've already tested it and it makes a good negative pressure. So I need to clean up some more plastic, and I need to clean up down here. And the idea is that you want to, I've got some tuck tape there to seal the floor. Now, I don't know how much plastic I have left over. I got some vapor barrier. I can't remember how many feet it was. But I'm going to seal everything around. And this allows to, these are like 10, I got a 7 foot ceiling? No, 8 foot ceiling with 2 feet with 10. So from here and then down, I got this much room to move. So it's flexing. And then when I get the negative pressure, it's going to suck it all in. So I can stick my butt out and scoot and still shoot paint everywhere, right? So this should be good all the way around. Just a cheap filter. It's like a $16 filter. That's just a simple fan. Now, I've made a couple mistakes not thinking through everything, but I forgot to take my chair out. So I got to take the chair out, cut all the zip ties out, because I was bringing it in and out and all that kind of stuff. So there's a lot of stuff that I have to take out to complete. I got a lot of wet sanding to do still. These ladders are not supposed to be in here, but this is the project. And then I'm gonna duct tape or tuck tape and seal the floor with all this stuff. And this allows me to go grab stuff on my other side, because normally I have motorcycles in here, but I'm gonna fix it up a little bit better. And then if I need to grab, I got some paint over there. This is supposed to be my workbench. I'm gonna put another workbench there. I got my compressor here, I got my hose here, I got my paint gun there. So I got lots of stuff to do. But you can make it. Depends on how hard you want. I've seen guys just shoot paint inside their garage and they don't give a crap about little nibs and stuff like this. But I want to try to make the Jeep look pretty good. So there you go. Enjoy.